How to know who viewed your featured collection on Facebook. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook application on your device and make sure that you have added any featured collection on Facebook. To know who viewed our featured collection, simply first log in. Tap three line menu icon at top right. Now tap on your profile at top to see your profile. Scroll down and navigate to your featured collection. You simply need to open the featured photo or video that you have added on Facebook. So let's tap on it. And here at bottom left you will see viewers. Tap on it. And currently there is no viewers yet. And there is written 0 viewers. When you tap on refresh, we don't see anyone because right now there is no one viewing our featured collection. If there is any, they will be listed on the section and we will know who viewed our featured collection from this page. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.